Sliding staircase. This sliding staircase is a unique and practical design feature for homeowners looking to conceal the stairs leading to their basements. By sliding over the original stairs, the staircase remains hidden and out of the way, allowing for more open and presentable living space. This design not only adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to the home but also serves as a space-saving solution. The sliding staircase is a clever and stylish addition that maximizes the functionality of the home. Creative table. The creatively designed coffee table is a great solution for small homes. With its unique design, the tabletop can be raised to create a normal table with 4 seats. This means that when guests come to visit, the table can easily be transformed to accommodate them. The table is composed of 2 bodies that are joined to the top with a system of arms. The process of transforming the table is simple and can be done easily even by a child. With its space-saving design and functionality, this coffee table is perfect for small homes. Wall table. Working from home can be a challenge if you don't have a designated workspace. Fortunately, this wall-mounted foldable workstation provides all the space and accessories you need for homeworking. Fold it away at the end of a workday, and it'll present stunning artwork or a personalized photo to transform your wall. This wall-mounted foldable workstation features charging compatibility suitable for both PCs and Macs. Overall, this work desk keeps everything in one place to increase productivity and reduce stress. Casteur. With this mechanism, a rectangular table or furniture part can be rotated by 90 degrees even though the movement would be blocked by an obstructing corner or wall. The rotation is possible because the pivot point of the rotation is relocated before the movement, making space for the rotation. Swing chair. The swing chair is a luxurious and comfortable way to enjoy the peace and beauty of your backyard or a good book indoors. The chair is designed for maximum comfort, allowing you to relax and unwind in style. Whether you want to sit and enjoy the scenery or curl up with a good book, this chair is the perfect place to do it. Its hanging feature provides a unique sensation of floating on air while seated, and the swing feature makes it even more comfortable to be on it. The chair is also versatile and can be placed indoors or outdoors, making it a great addition to any home. Whether you're looking to add some comfort to your backyard or create a cozy reading nook indoors, this swing chair is the perfect solution. Transformer sofa. The Transformer sofa from MTU is a highly functional piece of furniture that is designed to maximize the use of living space. One of the hidden features of this sofa is a sliding element that is built into the edge of the sofa. When this element is rolled out, it transforms into a small table, providing an additional surface for items such as drinks, books, or laptops. The Transformer sofa is a great solution for those who live in small spaces and want to make the most of their living area. The hidden table feature adds extra functionality to the sofa, making it a versatile piece of furniture that can adapt to the needs of the user. Electric bookcase. The electric bookcase is a unique and innovative piece of furniture that is perfect for office spaces. The bookcase features an electric door that can be operated with a remote control, making it easy to use. One of the great advantages of this bookcase is the ability to keep the shelves hidden, which can be beneficial in an office where aesthetics are important. You don't want to look at a cluttered shelf. Couch Camini. Would you like holiday flair right in your living room? Then the single sofa Camini by Benformato is just right for you. With its country-style wooden frame, this model is a welcome change from the uniform look. As a result, this single lounger offers the perfect sea feeling and you can dream of your last vacation at the sea. Is there a visitor who wants to relax from everyday life with you? Camini can be converted into a double lounger in no time at all with a lying area of approximate 150 by 196 centimeters, on which your guests can sleep comfortably. Willi Schillig Relax Lounger. The Willi Schillig Relaxlige is a luxurious and highly functional upholstered lounger that offers a wide range of features. to ensure ultimate comfort and relaxation. One of its key features is the adjustable head and foot section, allowing the user to find the perfect position for lounging. Additionally, it is equipped with a motorized relaxation function that can be controlled at the touch of a button, giving the user the ability to change the lying position with ease. The lounger also includes a USB port, which allows you to charge your tablet while relaxing on the upholstered lounger. Under the Podium. The Under the Podium is a creative and practical solution for creating a play area and sleeping space for a child in a small one-room apartment. The design features a podium that is equipped with a bed that can be hidden underneath the podium when not in use. Additionally, there is room for 2 drawers underneath the bed, which can be used for storage of toys or clothes. As the child grows older and goes to school, the right side of the podium can be converted into a workspace, providing a convenient and efficient use of space in the apartment. With this couch from Himala, everything has been thought of to offer you luxury class comfort. While you are sitting on the sofa, you can adjust the back and foot section of the Himala couch as you wish. The sofa presented here as a 2-seater has super elastic soft upholstery for a pleasantly soft seat, a motorized relaxation function, and a battery with a charging station. Rising Electric Cabinet. The Rising Electric Cabinet is an advanced and innovative product that effectively utilizes kitchen corner storage space. The cabinet utilizes a switch-activated movement system, which ensures that the tray only moves when the switch is pressed. This feature provides an added level of safety, as the cabinet cannot be operated by remote control. One of the key safety features of the Rising Electric Cabinet is its automatic rising tray. If the tray encounters any resistance, such as a hand or object, it will automatically rise, protecting users from injury.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.